Thomas was in the yard when he heard an engine whistling.
Help! Help!
And a goods train came rushing through much too fast. The engine, a new one called James, was frightened.
They're pushing me! They're pushing me! Help! Help!
Poor James disappeared under a bridge.
Oh, I'd like to teach those trucks a lesson.
Presently, a bell rang in the signal box, and a man came running.
James is off the line. The breakdown train, quickly!
So Thomas was coupled on, the workmen jumped into their coach, and off they went. Thomas worked his hardest.
Oh, bother those trucks and their tricks. I only hope poor James isn't hurt.
They found James and the trucks at a bend in the line. The brake van and the last few trucks were on the rails, but the front ones were piled in a heap. James was in a field with a cow looking at him, and his driver and fireman were feeling him all over to see if he was hurt. "Never mind, James," they said. "It wasn't your fault. It was those wooden brakes they gave you. We always said they were no good." Thomas pushed the breakdown train alongside. Then he pulled the unhurt trucks out of the way. "Oh dear, oh dear."
This'll teach you a lesson. This'll teach you a lesson.
Yes, it will. Yes, it will. Then with two cranes they put James back on the rails. He tried to move, but he couldn't. So Thomas helped him back to the shed. The fat director was waiting anxiously for them.
I've heard all about it, and I'm very pleased with you. You're a really useful engine. James shall have some proper brakes and a new coat of paint, and you shall have a branch line all to yourself.
Oh, sir. Thank you.
Now Thomas is as happy as can be. He has a branch line all to himself and puffs proudly backwards and forwards with two coaches all day. He's never lonely because there's always some engine to talk to at the junction. Edward and Henry stop quite often and tell him the news. Gordon is always in a hurry and does not stop. But he never forgets to say poop poop to little Thomas, and Thomas always whistles beep beep in return.